Hello guys, greetings from my fans all over the world. You're welcome to the ultimate gadget and accessories. We repair phone, we sell all type of phone accessories and gadgets. So this was the work we are doing today. One of the work I said let me just post it online for my fellow engineers. Sometimes you might have this, you might come across this difficulties. I was able to deal with it. After I repair a charging board, it was all the if it was not, the sound was not coming out. If you call, it don't come out, and we had to go back to check what was the problem. And because of the board, I had to change the board today. So this was when I was using it. I went to get new downboard charging that flex. So if you are here new, just go like, comment, go to my Facebook, go to my YouTube channel, Sam K and the Ultimate Worshippers. I will be posting my stuff there. Go to my TikTok, Sam K, Ambassador Sam K. You'll see I will post my updates. Okay, I got the new charging flex and this one was okay. I was not coupling it. Finished coupling it. Okay. I want to check if it's charging now after I finish. Just to couple it. So I don't know if you come across any issues like this. If you come across any issues like this, so you can change the downboard and the mouthpiece if it's to work. Let me know in the comment section. So we will finish coupling it. Move to the next part to check if it's charging, and also to check if the mouthpiece is now working. Okay, battery was low, so I had to go and charge it. Let's go. Boom. Okay, it's charging 0%. Okay, just leave it to charge. So come back to get it. And we also do separation of screens. We run any type of screen, iPhone, Samsung, Techno. This is Techno Spark 4. That's what I'm doing. So we separate. We have the machine. We have a full equipment. We sell, we buy, we swap. Do well to contact us on anything you need. Okay. Finally on the phone. It's booting. Look at me. Trying to thank God for the work going smoothly. Okay, this is the third phone we've worked trying to fix. This is okay, it's on now 1%. So finally I test the phone and it's working. Contact